Thank you for joining us on the news update on Enyimba TV. My name is Esther Chema. Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC Abia State Command, has paraded a 64-year-old baby factory owner and a child trafficker, Nnanna Michael, from Obinkita Arochukwu in connection with the operation of illegal baby factories in Abia State. According to the command, the suspect was arrested during an operation which took place at Abanafo Street, Area. Two women identified as Doris Nelson, 23, from Gombe State, and Ugochukwu Wina, 21, from Isinweke Ihituboma in Imo State, were rescued from Michael's residence following credible intelligence provided to the command. NSCDC investigation revealed that Doris, who gave birth on Monday, September 9, 2024, sold her baby the following day to a yet-to-be-identified buyer, while Wina is currently 7 months pregnant and was being held under similar circumstances. The State Commandant of NSCDC, Usman Afadarai, while parading the suspect, said Michael, a father of 4 and a former worker at a motherless baby's home, admitted to harboring pregnant women, taking care of them until delivery, and then selling their babies. The mayor of Okwa West local government area of Abia State, Azo Newman, has set up a peace and reconciliation committee to forestall a clash between herders and farmers in Obibo community. The setting up of the committee followed the destruction of farm crops in Obibo by cattle allegedly belonging to herdsmen, which sparked outrage among the indigenous farmers, especially the youths. Village sources said that leaders of the herdsmen reported some members of Obibo to the Rapid Response Squad of the Nigerian Police, Obehe, calling for the community youth's arrest. The source further said that the call for the arrest of the indigents created tension in Obibo, but intervening in the matter, the mayor of Okwa West local government area, Azo Newman, inaugurated a peace and reconciliation team to be headed by Miracle Marie. He cautioned herdsmen against allowing their cattle to destroy people's crops in farms, said the crops were the people's source of livelihood, especially at this time of economic hardship in the country. President Bola Tinubu has announced a disaster relief fund in Maiduguri, Borno State, to assist Nigerian citizens impacted by floods and other disasters. He said the relief fund is already expedient as the climate becomes more unpredictable and many places in the country are vulnerable to its vagaries. The president announced this at the Borno Government House when he visited the state to sympathize with the government and the people over the recent flooding from Alu Dam. President Tinubu also visited the Shehu of Borno, an internally displaced persons camp at the government secondary school in Maiduguri, and had a drive-through of the areas affected by the disaster. Senator representing Borno South, Mohammed Ali Ndume, is asking the federal government to dredge communities affected by flooding in Borno State to ease out water so that residents who are trapped can be rescued. In a chat with newsmen, the senator said most residents trapped in their communities were yet to be rescued. He added that the presence of the federal government and its agencies like the Humanitarian Ministry, the National Emergency Management Agency, and the Northeast Development Commission are not yet impactful on the plight of victims of the collapsed Maiduguri flood disaster. And that's it on the news update. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Esther Chema.